Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super fun video. I hope it's fun. It's getting progressively colder here in the UK, so I thought it was time to go on the hunt for the perfect autumn winter coat. And I obviously went on to ASOS and I obviously went a little bit crazy. I purchased 5 different coats to show you guys, and to be completely honest, I usually play it quite safe with my coat choices in the past. I tend to go for more staple pieces, maybe like a black navy aviator style jacket or something like that. However, this time I thought it'd be fun to try a few more on-trend pieces, if you can call them that. So I have 5 quite different coats. I am looking at a few that I cannot wait to try on, so I hope you guys like them. They are all from the new in section of ASOS, so I'll link them down below. Hopefully they'll still be in stock. ASOS sometimes gets a little bit weird and stuff sells out really fast, so I hope they are available if you are looking to purchase them. Just link them down below, click away. This video is going to be a long one, so yeah, without any further rambling, let's get on into the video. Okay, so this is the first coat, and I don't know if you can see how long it is. I'm actually quite tall, so I'm surprised this is so long on me. This is by the brand Glamorous. I've not really heard of them or bought from them before, but the quality does feel really nice. It's not like a super thick coat, but perfect for autumn and perfect for layering. If you like that kind of layered look, really comfortable coat, and I really like it. I can just see myself throwing this on. You look trendy, you look cool. Hi, I'm cool. Yeah, definitely this is a winner in my eyes. Now this is the coat that honestly started off this whole shopping spree. It is this pink felt like bomber jacket. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed with this coat. It's just so beautiful. I love the colour. It's fun, it's vibrant, but it's still like a soft dusty rose, so it's not in your face. It's actually quite a subtle colour. Like, it's so beautiful. Because of the felt, it kind of looks metallic in some lights, and that just adds to it. When I saw this on the website, I had to put it in my basket. It's something that probably a couple years ago I wouldn't have gravitated towards, but I just love the look of it. It looks so cool, but it's still fun and so wearable. It looks like a really expensive piece, but I remember it was so affordable. Honestly, I feel like this could be from Urban Outfitters or one of those shops and be like double if not triple the price. It's so warm and fluffy on the inside, but still so light. Honestly, I can't rave about this jacket anymore. This is definitely, without a doubt, staying. This isn't going anywhere. I hope this is in stock for you guys. I just love it. Brand, I've never heard of them before. They're called YAS, like Yas. I don't know if it's, I think it's European. I remember this was the most expensive one out of the whole haul. Such a tongue twister. This was the most expensive one, and you can tell the quality of this, it feels unreal. Kind of feels like I'm petting a dog, but in like a really nice way. Like, it feels luxurious. The colour, I think you'll see better if I get close up. It's like a super rich, beautiful green. I absolutely love this. This is the type of coat that I'd literally spend all of autumn in, all of winter in. It's a perfect length. It's so, wait, is there pockets? Oh no, oh wait, oh yeah, it has pockets. It is absolutely perfect. Definitely Instagram ready. The colour of this means it'd go with a lot of outfits. Very versatile. It's absolutely warm and comfortable, and I really like this. Super on trend, don't you think? Oh, I'm gonna find it so hard to choose now, but I really like this. What do you guys think? There are buttons actually. Let me see what it's like buttoned up. This is what it looks like buttoned up. I love it. Great for layering. I can imagine wearing like grey hoodie underneath, or like grey sweats, that kind of like ribbed material. I really like this. Tell me what you guys think down below. Yeah, I think it's really cool. Let me know what you think. I'm a little bit unsure on this coat. Maybe you guys should help me out. So this is ASOS own brand, and I realise this is a large, so maybe that's why, no, not a large, it's a tall. Maybe that's why it's slightly bigger, but I'm tall, so it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be bigger, it just fits for taller people. It's just very big, like this. Wait, let me do this button. I love this sound. It's very boxy, and I thought this was a fit that I wanted this year. I don't know if you guys follow, but there's this Instagrammer called Naomi Jenner's, and she's beautiful, and she wears these like gorgeous teddy style huge coats, and the fit, sometimes they're like a boxy fit, but it looks so good. And I thought I wanted to channel those vibes this year. However, I don't know if this is a bit too much for me, or maybe I'm just not used to this fit, that I feel like it's very out there. Definitely, like, can you see where my fingers are? This should be like here, right? I don't know why an 8 is so big. Usually I'm an 8 or a 10. Don't get me wrong, for the quality of ASOS own brand, this feels lovely, feels warm. I can imagine like in Alaska, this coat would be amazing, or somewhere where the weather was just, you know, calling for a coat like this. However, in the UK, is it a bit much? Could I wear this in London? I'm not sure, it does get cold. And I know it's like a look, but I just don't know if it's the right look for me. Guys, tell me what you think down below, but be completely honest. If you don't like it, that's fine. If you do like it, let me know. And it has like this detailing, this brown detailing, but like, what are you supposed to do with this? Surely you won't see this unless it's slightly popped, but do you keep the collar popped? I don't know. Though it's baffling me a little bit. I've kept my hair in because it's too much. If it was out on top of this, it looks huge. But yeah, I think if you like the style of coat, if this works for you, it is, honestly, I don't want to take it off because it's so warm and comfortable. I just don't know if it's the coat for me. I just keep thinking about the pink one because it's like the best coat in the world. Maybe I just need to look at it in the mirror properly. It does look cool though, doesn't it? Unsure. Holy moly, I love this coat. This is the type of coat I've been wanting to find. I feel like with these, I think they're called teddy. Is that what this fabric is called? I'm just gonna call them that. I feel like with these teddy coats, I love the look of a cropped like bomber style one. Around the bottom it really cinches you in, so it's really flattering because your top half looks super big and then you can still have quite a fitted bottom half. And the detailing around the wrists with the black and the white I absolutely love. And just the whole feel of this. I think this was super affordable. I'll definitely write the price up on the screen now. But in terms of the quality, it feels really warm. I can imagine this would go with so many different outfits for autumn winter. And I feel like you don't have to try that. For example, I'm just wearing a basic tee, skinny jeans, and then just putting this over the top. You kind of look put together and like quite cool, but you haven't made much effort, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really like the look of this. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so I think that was a success. Let me know which one was your favourite. Maybe the pink one's not your favourite, maybe you have another favourite. Let's have a conversation down below. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It's completely free. You can just join our little family. So yes, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I shall see you guys soon. Bye!